Guys, so this is my 2017 Ford Expedition, and I finally found the cause of the ticking sound every time you open the door. It's the AC heater blend door actuator. So let me turn the light on. Yeah, you hear that? It's over there. That one. See the white plastic? I don't know if you can see it. And the white plastic. Usually it ticks again. So this part right there. It's a tight space. I ordered the part. Still waiting for the part. But that is what you see. Okay. See that? It ticks every time you open the door. AC heater blend vent actuator. All right, just keeps on ticking. Any door, when you open any door, even the back door. So you can hear it. Okay guys, so just waiting for the part, and we'll install it next time. Thanks for watching.